Hey, so it's Nisi. Happy Vlogmas day number 9. Sorry, it is almost about dark here, but today was a very rough day after the great French onion soup debacle of yesterday. So I think I said it on the video from yesterday's Vlogmas, but FYI, red wine is alcohol. So it hits different. Like you think you like, oh, it's just wine. You can drink wine. That's why they have a special name. They're called winos. I've learned my lesson. I've been hydrating all day. I've hydrated, I took a nap. It was rough out here in these streets. But it's not yet dark. The sun is going down. And my plan for today is, because it's been relatively warm the last couple of days, to try to see if I could get into this sweet potato container that I hadn't gotten into, and maybe there'll be something in there. I don't know. So that's my plan. Here we go. All right. So yeah, you can actually get into this dirt, which I could not before. And so let's see if there's anything in here at all. Oh, this was the purple ones. Might not be anything in here. Wait a minute. I got a little potato. Okay. I was not prepared for there to be anything in here. Actually, I was waiting for there to be nothing in here. But I'm just gonna pull the soil out and throw it right into that container. Let's see. That's nothing. Wait a minute. I got another one. I mean, these are skinny, but they're sweet potatoes. So, yay me. Ooh, look at that. Okay. We're just gonna, I'm throwing this into the county yard compost. Let's see. Hopefully there's something else in here. If all I get is those 4 though, that's dope. Because they were free slips that I was given by one of my garden buddies. So I'm okay with that. Okay. 5. Look like a little piece. Maybe. Okay. I hope y'all can still see. Looks like just dirt. I might just be having those 5, but that's still pretty cool. You're trying to kiss me in the face, little guy? I'm not seeing anything else. Okay, it's just like a tiny piece. It looks like it broke off another piece. So it might be one of those. I'm seeing lots of roots, but nothing else. Uh-oh. That was like a tiny one. That's okay. Okay, I think that's it. There's nothing else in here. Yeah. Tiny one. Okay, I think that's it. I don't see anything else. I think that's a little thing, not worth it. Okay. Well, okay, so that was it. It wasn't a lot. We did end up with like some skinny purple sweet potatoes, like 5 of them. Kind of got to a decent size. Lessons learned. I've seen people grow these in laundry baskets. My container, where is it? I just had gone and picked this up from Lowe's, so because I had been given the slips and ultimately I wanted to grow them. So what did I learn? Maybe that they need more air than this, because they were clearly growing. I had a lot of roots down at the bottom, and I'm thinking that part of that might have been because the holes were down there, so maybe they got more air. And then I had some towards the top, but really not very much in the middle. So my thought is that ultimately they just might need more air than I have been given, and an experienced gardener might know this. I have never grown sweet potatoes before, so this is my first try. The slips were given to me by one of my garden buddies, so I'm super appreciative. I'm gonna take those 4 sweet potatoes. I am gonna eat them. They're probably gonna end up in Dante's food because I cook his food, and one of the things that he eats is sweet potatoes. But I'm super excited that I got these. So basically I put some plants in some dirt and I got some sweet potatoes, but I honestly think they probably need a little bit more air than what I gave them, since I saw them heavily concentrated at the bottom and heavily concentrated at the top where there was more air. So I could always take this and put some holes in it, or I think what I'll do is maybe just get a different container. But they grow underground, right? So how much aeration do they really need? I don't know. I'm going to do some research. If any of you are more experienced, let me know. I'm excited about what I did grow. Maybe they need more water than I gave them. Ultimately, I'm just not sure. I'll do some research and see what I come up with. But that's pretty much it for today. I didn't have like a huge amount to share, but since we've had a couple of warmer days, it's gonna drop back down tomorrow. You can see I have my coat on. It's not nearly as cold as what this requires, but y'all know I'm from Texas, so we're not trying to be outside in the cold, right? Right. So I'll put this yard waste away. I'm not really worried about the dirt. That'll settle on its own over time, but that's really gonna be it for today's Vlogmas. I made it to Vlogmas day 9. Again, red wine is alcohol. Red wine is alcohol. My French onion soup came out delicious. I loved it, but I honestly had that little bowl that y'all saw. I just made that for the camera, and I did eat it because I needed something on my stomach, but so many mistakes were made. Eat first. Watch out for red wine. I only had 2 glasses, and they were not like heaping full glasses, but whew, I do not have that same problem with margaritas, because you can't get drunk from a margarita. You can't get drunk from a margarita. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Vlogmas day 9 is done, and I will see you guys on tomorrow. Bye.